How to connect Verizon remote to TV. So let's get started. In the first step, you will connect a Verizon remote to your TV by using either the manual code entry or the on-screen automatic setup through your Fios TV menu. In the next step, for manual programming, turn both your TV and Fios box. Now press and hold the TV button and press OK button until the light blinks. Now enter the 3-digit code for your TV brand and press the TV power button. In the end, if the TV turns off, press OK to save. We have an alternative method for that. Navigate through your TV box menu to settings. Here select the voice control option, and after that you will be redirected to next screen. Here select the program voice remote and follow the on-screen instructions for automatic setup. That's all. These are the methods from which you can connect your Verizon remote to TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.